up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully the wind ain't that bad so you can hear me, but we are repairing my Honda 500 from the video. We've just put a new oil pump chain, new starter, and it runs and drives now. So what we're doing now, putting a new air filter, putting a new battery. Oh, I just farted. Putting a new spark plug, put it back together. Probably already should put it back together, but brand new starter.
Do not buy this cheap Chinese starter. It is a piece of
New air filter, new battery. Old spark plug is a new one going in right now. And she runs and drives, baby. Finally have her back. And we have a big old surprise that we're about to put on this bike. Hopefully by, I'd say, Saturday. So, let's see. Okay, y'all, we got it running. Oh, okay. We got it running. And we couldn't put the spark plug, but it's okay. And holy crap, are these tires, they got the ooh-woo going on. So we're gonna probably loosen the tie rods. Hopefully that'll work. Ooh, my camera sucks. Oh, I stuck in the mud. Okay. Oh yeah. Gosh, put this front plastic so this part back on and the side parts back on. So let's get to doing it, shall we? All right, y'all. So it's the next day. We've done a little bit of work. We put on some more plastics. We got this plastic on, side plastics. We took off the floorboards. We reran the snorkel, and for some now it's actually running just fine with it. Don't know what changed, but it's really tall because we have 420 shocks in the front. And it starts up and drives just fine. Idle's a little high, but that's because the snorkel. Headlights, I need to put those back on. And I need to put on the bottom piece too. I need to order new ones like this. Put back on the floorboards possibly after we do what we're gonna do with it. And yeah, I got the GoPro, so we're gonna take it on a little ride. And Sebastian's gonna be taking the 1K. So let's roll with it. Oh, okay, y'all. We're on the Sebastian's on the 1000. I'm on the 500. I'm gonna go get a test ride with it, and definitely gets a lot of mud all over you. Damn. And the rear end gets no traction. We're just gonna go two-wheel drive for now. We're not trying to go anywhere more. Hope I'm not getting this camera too wet. Chill, I know this is probably bad for this bike. This is the bad hole, I'm pretty sure, right here. Whew, getting all kind of mud on me, dude. Shoot. Chill. Put in full drive. Oh shit. We got the floor running early there. Oh! Is it this side or no? It's a heavy ass bike. up this hill right now. Yo, this thing's covered in mud. Two-wheel drive, baby. I know y'all are thinking this thing's probably being pathetic, but I'm just in two-wheel drive and I have literally no traction back there. Tires are bald. Is it deep? Oh, what the fuck? They got a trail down there. Where? Oh, I see. It got it, bro. It's a Honda. What's next for this bike? I do, but I'm not spoiling the surprise. It might not even happen though. It's either gonna happen tomorrow or tonight, or it's not gonna be put on until like next week. But it depends if I get the money for it or not though tonight. If I don't get the money tonight, then I don't think we're gonna end up getting it, because the guy I'm trying to buy them from, he got other people showing him offers, and I think he's tired of waiting. I already got him a day late. I was supposed to pick these up today. How deep is it? I hope not. That's the shallow side? Yeah, we're not going through that with this. But I'll tell you what I will do though. Hold on, watch. Yo, Mayball. I don't have it. I don't have my phone. Alright, good. Okay, go. I don't want to hurt my ankle. I mean my leg. God damn. I don't know where that was. No? If I wasn't injured right now, this would be a lot easier. There she is. Oh. Damn. Finally got the right thing. Versus the old ones. These are thicker too.